Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to gift Claude AI subscription. If you are having a friend and you want to give this subscription to him, it's quite simple and I will show you in this video how to do this. So what we're going to do right here is we go left in the bottom, and this is the same way as you're using Claude AI on the web, because if you go left in the bottom to our own profile icon, we select right here Gift Claude. Then from here we can decide what we want to do, the Pro, max 5 times or max 20 times. So you can decide for yourself what you want to do. Let's do Pro right now. Then we can decide right here for how many months. So let's do 3 months. Then we do next right here. Then we can give the nice card a color. So let's do this color. Then we can send by mail, fill in right here the name. Then we do this name right here, my name. We can add a note if you want to do that. And then fill in right here my own email address. And then right here, sorry, is not his second name, but fill in right here his email address. My bad, by the way. And then we click right here on checkout. And then this is the last step that you need to do, because right now you need to fill in right here your credit card details. So make sure that you fill in everything correctly. Click right here on pay now, do the complete payment, and then after that your friend will get Claude AI Pro in his mailbox. So this is how you can give Claude AI subscription to someone else. Hopefully this was the video I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.